Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Pennsylvania on this RCI-2950dx. John, I got you ready to go for you, bud. Put your noise filter right back here on the switch. Flip it up. Your noise level goes down. Flip it down and you're back to normal operation, okay? That's your high-cut noise filter. Upgraded the electrolytics on the DC input and the audio buffer cap. Also did the erf2030 plus final upgrade, as well as the maxmod upgrade, my tuning alignment, clarifier mod, and it's ready to go. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, half a watt, and right at about 4.5 all the way up. 100-watt slug, average power. 19, almost 20 bird. Peak power. And 42 peak. Alright, John, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsays@gmail.com. Bump, bump.